Hello everyone. How are you all been doing? It's been a long time I haven't done any unboxing. Let's see the Google Pixel 8 that I have bought. Here we have the phone with a sleek design, a smaller form which makes it comfortable to hold. 6.2-inch display, and then look at the back. It's amazing. 6.2-inch display with the processor Google Tensor G3 front camera, rear camera, and a 8 GB RAM with storage. The build is quite good. Let's see now what we have in the phone and the box. A quick switch adapter, a USB-C type cable. No matter how you look at it, you still need a charger. And then there's the booklet which instructs all about the phone. Here the battery is 4575 mAh. The camera with 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel rear camera is the best to take closer shots. Front camera is 11 megapixel to take selfies. But now let's find out why Pixel 8 instead of other phones. Cameras are still the best, packed with AI features and supports wireless charging and fast charging. The storage is 128 GB and 256 GB variant and runs on OS Android 14. Overall, I have been really impressed with the Pixel 8. It's a powerful and reliable phone with a great camera, long battery life, and a sleek design. If you are in the market for a new phone, I highly it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the Google Pixel 8, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos and vlogs. Thank you for watching.